can't get what you want if you can't communicate effectively enough to get it, right? What if I told you the one thing all these successful people have in common is confidence in their communication skills? We live in a world right now where the average person doesn't have confidence in their abilities. If that's you, you're missing out on just about everything you dream of having in life. You can't get what you want if you can't communicate effectively enough to get it, right? And when you're looking at people, you can often tell what a person can have in life if you can determine his communication and confidence levels. I personally ruined many opportunities before I really had the confidence in myself I needed. On the flip side, I've been able to create multiple massively expanding online businesses and built many relationships after I trained enough to improve my communication skills to a point where I was confident enough to go all in on myself. All these companies I have built, I got no help, no startup capital, no loans from friends or family, no loans from the bank, all talking, all phone calls, all late nights, grit, hustle, courage, right? Doing things I was the most uncomfortable doing, right? Doing things nobody else wants to do. I want you to have it all too. So I created this training so you can have the guidance to build your confidence, to build your communication skills, and to a point where you will go into business for yourself. Click the button to access the training.